Hey, Chef Austin with EverythingKitchens.com. We are food lovers at heart here, and we carry the top mixers, the top blenders, and today we're going to be showing you the Braun Multiquick 7 Immersion Blender. Let's get unboxing. All right, so let's see what was in the box. First off, we've got the all-important warranty. So Braun's really nice. They actually put a 2-year warranty on this product. So this is all the fine print. Be sure to give that a once over so you know what the warranty covers and what it doesn't cover. So you probably don't want to blend marbles in this. They wouldn't probably cover that. So important to read that. And we've also got the instruction manual. So if you're like me, you'll want to read the instruction manual so you can learn everything there is to know about your immersion blender. The nice thing about this is there's some pictorial guides on how to assemble it and how to use the different pieces. If you don't like reading, there's pretty pictures in here. So, but if you do like reading, and I suggest it anyway, go ahead and look through this manual. It's just telling you exactly what each of these different parts do and what they can be used for. So there aren't any recipes in this manual. That's the only thing that I see lacking from this, but other than that, it is pretty in-depth. So keep that safe, and let's go to our hardware. So we have is a nice measuring cup. So this is up to 20 fluid ounces right here. Measurement mark. So this is great if you're wanting to use your immersion blender to make like a quick mayonnaise or a quick guacamole sauce or something like that. They have that for you right there. And this is really cool. So not only is this an immersion blender, it has different attachments. So that's what makes this Braun pretty special. The first one we got up here is a whisk. So if you're wanting to whip up egg whites, if you're wanting to make whipped cream, this is a modular piece that attaches onto the immersion blender right here. So we've got our whisk, and then next we've got your standard chopper blade. So this is great for making mayonnaises, for chopping up and dicing. It's great for also mashed potatoes. I love making mashed potatoes with my immersion blender. It makes a super fine puree. And again, this is a modular piece, so it will just snap right onto the motor base like this. And this is really nice. It's got a nice brushed stainless steel feel to it. And then it's got like a non-brushed stainless steel right here. So it feels like a high quality piece of equipment. I do like that. And then the last attachment we have right here, this is a mini chopper. So if you need to dice up a bunch of onions or a bunch of tomatoes or whatever you have right here, chopping nuts, making breadcrumbs, you can attach it to your blender and it will do that for you as well. And then the star of our show right here, this is the actual blender handle right here. So it's got very nice rubberized grips on the back right here. And then on the front, we've got the control dial. So the way this works is the harder you press on here and the further back this button goes, the faster you're going to start blending or chopping your food. So if you just need a little bit, you just kind of squeeze it. If you need full force, you squeeze all the way back. And then there's a lock button up top. So to start engaging this, you would press this lock button, squeeze, and then it starts blending. So that's just a safety feature so you don't actually accidentally bump it and it starts blending without your knowledge. And then we've got our cord, just a standard 2-prong cord right here. And I've got it wound up. Let's unwind this to see how long it really is. And it looks like it's nice and long. Ooh. So that is plenty of space to use this in a soup. Like if you need to plug this into the wall, go blend up a soup or something like that. You got plenty of cord length for that. So I really like this Braun set. It feels like a very nice piece of equipment. This is actually made in Germany, so it's not just a high manufactured piece of something from China. This was made in Germany, so I do like that. It's got nice brushed stainless steel. It feels like a really high quality kitchen appliance. It doesn't feel like junky and plasticky like a lot of immersion blenders are. So we're gonna test this out. We're actually gonna make some guacamole. We're gonna utilize our chopper attachment and our blender attachment. So let's get to that. All right, so it's guacamole time. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is to chop our vegetables. So we've got our 2-cup capacity chopper right here. I'm gonna put about a 1/4 red onion in here. And this maximum capacity could probably do about half of a large red onion. which is plenty for your guac. And that slides on right there. And we are going to install our chopper. And I'm going to press down. This is going to unlock it, and then I'm just going to chop this till desired consistency. All right, now that that's chopped, we just squeeze to remove this. We'll unlock that, and we're going to put this into our serving container. Now, you could use the included jar that Braun has to make your guacamole, or if you want, you can just use the container that you're going to serve it right out of. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm just going to dump out our minced onion in here. And to this, we're going to add the rest of our guacamole ingredients. So I've got some cilantro in here. We're going to do half a squeezed lime. Get that in there. Authentic Mexican flavor. And then we're going to do 2 ripe avocados. So spoon that right out into there. Love fresh avocado. Avocado is so good for you. It's got all the good fats, right? So it's a healthy food. Those onions are strong. They're making me cry. But that's okay. I'll forgive them. All right, now all of our ingredients are in the bowl. We're going to attach our blending shaft to the immersion blender. And you're going to notice it's got the nice blade down here. It's got a nice protective metal almost umbrella around this, so you don't hurt yourself, and it kind of keeps as a splatter guard so nothing just runs out of the bowl when you're blending. So I'm just going to gently push down on here, and I'm going to blend this up till I think it looks like a good guacamole. What I love about immersion blenders is that you have way more control versus a traditional blender. You can pulse as much as you want or as little as you want, so you get the ultimate consistency in the food. Okay, so we've got some perfectly smooth avocado mash, otherwise known as guacamole, and we're going to make ourselves some avocado toast. We got our bread, we got our guacamole, and I've got a fresh haircut. Now I can enjoy my avocado toast. I love fresh guacamole. But what I also love is a different consistency throughout my guacamole. And that's what something like an immersion blender will let you do, is you can control how smooth or how chunky you want any of your food that you're making. So guys, if you have any questions at all about the Braun that we used today, you can leave it in the comment below and we'll get it answered. Also, if you check the link in the description, you can see this Braun and all of our other immersion blenders that we have for sale on everythingkitchens.com. If you did like this video, give us that like and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more chef reviews and unboxing videos.